Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do these Halloween emoji nails. So to start off, I have a fresh set of sculpted nails, and I am back to the claws, the pointed nails, hands down my favorite shape, although I did get used to the long coffin / ballerina look for a little bit. But the first color I'm going to use is Kira Sky's Nude Swings, which is just a medium tan shade. I'm going to paint this on my ring finger and my pointer finger. Next, I'm going in with Light Elegance's Smokin' Hot Pepper. From their recent fall collection, it's this black holographic glitter, and I love this color so much. And it's really opaque, like you don't need to put a black underneath. You can just do 2 thin coats of this and it's full coverage. I love this black holographic. I wish I could do a full set of just this color, but that wouldn't make a good video, so I had to add something else to it. And I'm going to go ahead and do a second coat of all of the colors. And so for the design, I'm going to do kind of this scattered Halloween symbols, emojis almost. I feel like I've seen this trend this year where a lot of people are doing nude nails with like Halloween characters on them. And I thought that's really cute and simple, but still very like Halloween. So to start off, I'll be using Madame Glam's Pajama Party, which is this neon pink shade, and I'm going to do a spider in this one. Next, I'm going to go in with Madame Glam's Mimosa, which is a yellow. I'm going to use this color for the bottom of the candy corn. Next, I'm going in with Madame Glam's Perfect White, and I'm going to draw some ghosts with this color. Next, I'm going in with Madame Glam's Girl Power, which is this neon purple shade. I'm going to draw a bat with this color. Now I'm going in with Madame Glam's Suns Out, which is a neon orange shade. I'm going to use this for the orange layer of the candy corn. And I also use this orange for the pumpkins. I think somehow the footage got turned around. This was supposed to be before the pumpkins. Then I use Madame Glam's Perfect White for the tip of the candy corn. And now I'm going to go in with Madame Glam's Early Bird, which is just a pastel green shade. I'm going to use this for the stem of the pumpkin. And I am flash curing in between each color that I'm doing. Now I'm going to go in with Madame Glam's Perfect Black, and I'm going to create some black detailing on all of the characters, as well as add some black stars and dots. I go in and I add little eyes and features to all of the spiders and ghosts and the bat, and then of course I turn the pumpkin into a jack-o'-lantern. And now it's time for top coat. I'll be using my Light Elegance's Super Shiny. And so here's how my nails came out. I think they are super cute. They are more of a simple Halloween design. They don't like scream like it's black and orange like pumpkin's Halloween, but it's simple and still has that element of some Halloween characters and little designs. But they're on new nails, and then the black accents. Again, I just love this black holographic color. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for another Halloween tutorial coming up next week. We'll see you guys next time. Bye!